Dance party. Nice. Good dancing. Well, not right now because I'm taping. Not sure when that's ever going to become clear. Dallas, are you dancing too? Dallas is being the DJ. And now I kind of lost focus. Dance, honey, and I'll tape you dancing. You want to put on some different music from the keyboard? You want to pick? There we go. Woo! Lovely, Snow White. You are such a good dancer, hon. Not yet. You're nuts? You're crazy. You're crazy. Hey, Dallas. Buddy, careful. Hey, Dallas. Dallas. Dallas, aren't you going to cooperate and be on the TV? Dallas. Hi, Dallas. Dallas, can you say book? Book. Good boy. Are you going to come over and show us something?
Book.
What do you want to do with this book? Read? Dallas, do you want Mama to read? Elmo. That's right. That is Elmo on that phone. What animal is that in the book, Dally?
Bunny rabbit.
Uh-huh. Dallas, can you say what it is?
Bunny rabbit.
What's that?
Puppy.
A puppy. Good boy. What's the next one?
Duck.
Duck.
Sheep.
Sheep. Good job.
It's like I have my sheep.
I know.
I would want to dance.
Okay.
I have my snack. Apples in here.
You do?
Snack.
Are they poison apples?
No.
Oh, okay. Woo! Dancing, dancing. Okay, you can turn it off. Will you kiss Dallas like you're Snow White and he's one of the dwarves? Very nice. Okay.
Hi.
Are you talking on the phone, Dallas? Who are you talking to? Is it Pop Pop? Who else are you talking to on the phone?
Mimi.
Mimi. Very nice.